Kentucky Wildcats have long been recognized as the ultimate breeding ground for NBA talent, producing stars like Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Devin Booker, and De'Aaron Fox. 29 alumni are currently active in the league. Fox, now a key figure with the San Antonio Spurs, is not only shining on the court but also in the sneaker world through his growing partnership with Under Armour's Curry brand. After his first sneaker debuted in a bold Lexington colorway during March Madness, he quickly followed up with the Curry Fox 2 Lexington. Unlike the original all-blue design, this new release mixes Kentucky blue with striking black accents on the strap, midsole, and lining, plus energetic splatter effects and multicolor laces. Highlighted by Fox's personal logo and Curry's iconic heel mark, the shoe officially launches September 12 in both adult, $120, and grade school, $90, sizing.